Hi, it's Monday 26th of October 2020. I have a 4-fruit salad here. I have papaya, one slice of papaya which I've cut into cubes. I have a pineapple which I've diced. I have red globe grapes, 10 red globe grapes which I've halved. And pineapple. Yes, and I've got pineapple which I've diced. So pineapple and orange, a Valencia orange, yep, which I've cut into small pieces and put in here. And for the toppings, I have my usual chaat masala with amla powder. I also have the juice of 1 key lime, some chia seeds, some sunflower seeds, some pumpkin seeds, as well as flax meal. So that's it for today, a simple 4-fruit salad for Monday, 26th of October 2020.